Welcome back to Mysterious Tales X, the place where science meets secrets and the universe whispers its truths. To those who dare to listen, tonight's story takes us closer, much closer, to a world we think we already know. A world we've seen 1,000 times in the night sky. Our moon. But what if I told you we've only seen half of it? Yes, the moon has a dark side. A face that never turns toward Earth. For billions of years, it's been locked away, hidden from our eyes, guarded by silence and mystery. When the first satellites orbited the moon, scientists saw something unexpected. The far side was nothing like the side we know. No smooth Maria, no familiar seas of grey. Instead, was covered in deep craters, towering mountains, and scars that looked ancient, as if something had once collided there. NASA called it the far side of the moon, but some people began to call it something else, the forbidden side. Why? Because even after 60 years of exploration, we still have shockingly few clear images of it. And the few we do have raise more questions than answers. In 1968, when Apollo 8 became the first manned mission to orbit the moon, the astronauts lost radio contact every time they passed behind it. For 45 minutes, total silence. No one on Earth could hear them. And they couldn't hear Earth. When the capsule re-emerged, Commander Frank Borman's voice crackled over the radio. "Good to see you again, Houston." And then, later, something strange. He mentioned a brilliant light on the horizon, but that part of the recording wasn't in the public transcript. Years later, Apollo 10 astronauts also reported hearing music. A strange, unearthly hum coming from the dark side of the moon. They described it as outer space music. NASA labeled it radio interference. But many insiders weren't so sure. And when Apollo 11 finally landed, there were a few minutes of mysterious radio silence. Ham radio operators who caught the transmission claimed to hear Neil Armstrong saying something that NASA never released publicly. According to them, he said, "These babies are huge. Sir, they're watching us from the edge of the crater." Was that real, or just another layer of the moon's myth? When Satellite probes photographed the far side, they too noticed something strange. Structures that didn't seem natural. Geometric ridges, dome-like shapes, and lines stretching for miles. Natural formations, or the ruins of something ancient. Even today, many conspiracy theorists believe that NASA and other space agencies have blurred or removed certain images of the moon's far side. In some official photos, you can see clear digital patches, as if something has been edited out. China's Chang'e 4 mission became the first to land on the far side of the moon in 2019. But their images, too, were few and carefully selected. One picture showed a strange cube-shaped object in the distance. At first, scientists called it a mystery hut. Months later, they said it was just a rock. But the question remains, why does every answer come after the public starts asking? Some scientists believe the far side hides massive deposits of rare metals, gold, uranium, and helium-3, a potential future fuel for fusion energy. If that's true, then whoever controls the moon's far side controls the energy future of humanity. But others believe something deeper. They say the far side of the moon isn't just geologically different, it's something else entirely. Maybe a crash site from an ancient alien civilization. Maybe a base not human. Or maybe a remnant of a forgotten war in the cosmos. The truth? Maybe NASA did find something there. Something the world isn't ready to see. Or maybe the far side of the moon is silent because it's meant to be. Next time you look up at the moon, remember, half of it is hidden from you. A world frozen in eternal night, watching us quietly, just out of sight. So what do you think? Did NASA really find something on the far side? Or is the dark side of the moon nothing more than nature's mystery, waiting for us to uncover it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love exploring the hidden secrets of space, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mysterious Tales X, where the sky is not the limit and every shadow tells a story.